This is Uday Banu. I'm pursuing PhD Telugu in the Department of Telugu, University of Hyderabad. So in India, I am a Dalit. In India, I am a Dalit. India considers me as a Dalit only. India never considers me as a human being. I am a Dalit in India. In my childhood, I went to a shop. I want to purchase a soap. So because of that thing, I went to a shop. So that shop people stopped me at the entrance. They told me that you don't come inside. You throw the money from there only. So I asked them why should I stop here only? I asked them. They clearly tell me that you are untouchable. Actually, see, everybody using untouchable. Even Dalits also using untouchable word. But myself, I want to coin as one word. We are untouched. We are not untouchable. We are not shit. We are not shit. Shit may be untouchable, but we are human beings. We are untouched actually. So that time she told me that you are untouchables. So I tried to enter inside. Suddenly her grandson came and threw me outside. So there is only one shop in our village. We can't. We have to go there only. We don't have any other source to get provisions. So I went there and I asked to give the soap. She told me that okay, I'll give you, but you throw the money from the entrance only. In that critical condition, I threw money from there only. I threw some coins from the entrance. She gave soap to me. She also threw the soap to the entrance only. So in my childhood, when I am trying to interact with the society, when I am trying to come to the society, at that point, caste marked few lines on my heart. Caste burnt me very bitterly in my childhood. From there, I came to school. When I was in my 7th class, at that time, 7th class board exam was there. So for the board exam, myself I can't study. So I tried to went a tuition. First day I asked my student friends to go to the tuition. They suggested me to come with them. They are already going to a tuition. So I went to a tuition. First day I went, the teacher welcomed me and I was sitting in the class. The very next day when I am entering to the tuition, teacher stopped me. Hey, Uday Banu, you stop there. I suddenly wondered, why sir? From tomorrow onwards, you should not come to tuition. Sir, why? I asked him. So he didn't tell me anything. You should not come. Sir, what is the reason? What is my mistake? Please tell me, sir. Please explain me. I am asking again and again. But he is not giving any reply to me. But in that stage, I didn't understand anything. Again, finally I asked, sir, okay, I don't want to come here again. But please tell the reason, sir, why you are not allowing me inside. But he didn't tell any reason. But the very next day, one of my friends told me that you are Isina, that is why sir is not allowing to come to tuition. When I was in my 7th standard, I think that time I am 12 years old. At that time, caste followed me. When I came to University of Hyderabad, I was in PG. My food culture is, I came from a rural background. I used to eat non-veg, obviously. It is in the part of my culture.
What are the non-veg?
Simply it's chicken and mutton.
Beef.
I'll eat beef, but in the mess, I am telling about the mess. When I used to take food from the mess, that time, few people looking at me like a thief. They are looking at me like I'm doing a robbery.
Which standard?
Few people from the ABVP, they are belonging to the upper caste.
This was when?
When I was in my PG.
In which college?
Here only, in the University of Hyderabad.
Okay.
The land, so-called land of intellectuals. So in the mess, they are kidding. They are making some jokes. They are whispering in their ears. Themselves, they are laughing loudly and when looking at me. I felt very bad. I stopped my taking food. I threw my food in the dustbin. I went back. This is not one day experience. For 2 years continuously I got this kind of discrimination with my friends, with my classmates. Once I entering into the classroom, few people are sitting inside. One upper caste guy standing at the bench. I asked him, why you are unhappy? I saw a little uncomfortable in his face. I saw what happened today. He replied me that you are the God's child now. You will get scholarship, but we are devils. That is why we are not getting scholarships. He told me. His father is working in the Congress party, which is ruling us now. He is working. His father is working in the Congress party. His father is a very rich person, economically. They are very rich. He told me that he wants to tell me that you are a SC. He told me that you are the God's child. That is why you are getting. He is not telling about the fellowship. He is telling scholarship, social welfare scholarship. You are getting scholarship. That is why you are having more money. But we are poor. Why? Because we are devils. We are not getting any scholarship now. He is telling. Again, see, from my childhood, whenever I am trying to forget my caste, whenever I am trying to forget my region, whenever I forget my these kind of existences, but every time caste trying to wake me up and telling that you are a C in this India. You can't live without knowing your existence in this India, in this country. So you should aware about this thing. Not only that thing, caste teach me that caste is not in the material form. Caste is liquidly implements. It will be in several kind of forms, but it will be in the liquid form, liquidly only. So we can't identify with the what we can tell we can't experience with the hands, we can't experience with the eyes, we can't experience with our skin, we can't experience with our tongue. Okay, but we can experience with our hearts. Myself, I experienced these kind of things from the childhood. That is why today I am believing that India is a semi-feudal, semi-colonial country. This semi-feudal and semi-colonial system making the caste, this semi-colonial and this semi-feudal system modernizing the caste. Now I see few people try to tell that caste is today. Where is the caste today? Already there is no caste system in India today. But caste has computerized. We can see in the caste. We can see the caste in internet also. We can see the caste in language also. We can see the caste in politics also. In anything, we can identify the caste.
Any other forms of discrimination you faced among your friends?
Yeah, I faced so many kind of forms. Once I was working in Telangana movement in 2009. Few people are there from the upper caste. They are also participating in the Telangana movement. That time they all went to Padayatra along with the Usmania University JSC called for the Padayatra. They all went to Padayatra. So when they went from here at that time, holidays are there. After they went to the Padayatra, university was reopened. All students came and they came to tent. There is nobody to lead that movement. There is no leader to lead that movement. Though that time I was here, I called them to form a ad hoc JAG here. Only ad hoc JAG. So that time they told me that okay, we'll think about it and we'll tell later. I was sitting there, only one of our senior fellows, friends, he was sitting beside me. To whom I called, that person from that Padayatra, he called to him and he is telling that SC beggar wants the leadership. Why? He is bitterly scolding with the name of caste. Bitterly scolding. He telling that he is SC. Why he wants the leadership? Why you want to come to the leadership? You want the name. Why? We won't allow that. You tell to him that, but you don't tell on the name of caste. You tell in the other form. We have a few kind of problems. You should not form a ad hoc JAG here. He told me that. So I identified that and I stopped and asked him, why you are scolding me with the name of caste? I asked him. That time he is telling, yes, I will tell what you will do. See, wherever you go, caste will follows you in the India. In the India. Why? Because it is not the Mulavasi's land. It became a Aryan's land. It became a Brahman's land. This land, this air, this water, these resources, all belongings to these labor who are giving their labor, who are giving their sweat drops, who are giving their blood to production.
Do you have friends from upper caste?
Yeah, I have several friends from upper caste. They are already participating in our Dalit